Okay, this is Daryl, mechanic, Mr. Mechanic de Supreme.
Yeah.
And he's showing us?
Race. Bearing race, that's buggered.
And that's coming off of that thing.
Yeah, that was all for that one of them. You can, see, look at your bearings here.
Close
Bad.
up. This is a close up.
Yeah, good. Bad. You could move this inside. You could move it back and forth about that much and up and down.
So that was making all that grumbling racket in there.
You bet she was.
All right. Totally good. Okay, so now we're looking at little Jeep Grand Cherokee on the hoist. And here we see the front end out of it. And the differential is removed like that. It's all dismantled. Ooh. Tire on the ground. Wait, this is backlight here. I'll try backlight too. Yeah. I'm trying to walk around this truck here without falling over something. Very good. Totally good.